Here I have ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot pops out. So like here you have SIM card slot, you insert SIM card like this, and here you have SD card slot and you insert it just like this, and then back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And to prove you that SD card is also detected, here is notification, SD card, tap to set up, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.